guys, I just finished my workout. O, diba? Naka-workout outfit tayo dyan yun. You see that? Tinry ko lang din yung Instabutte for instant pink. Char! For instant pink. Kaya talaga. And this is good for your cheeks, your eyelids, and your lips. So, kung ayaw nyo ng marami kayong dadalhin, you can use this one. This is just 100 plus. So, I'll put the link down below. What time is it now ba? It's already 1:20 and my class is at 2:30. So, see ya! So guys, just to let you know, I'm wearing pink. Pink ba or peach? So I'm gonna use the pink. The Insta Peach. Perfect Peach ng Instabutte. So, earlier, ito yung ginamit ko. And this one, I'll be using this. Ang ingay. Sorry talaga, guys. Okay, nakapagpapalito ito. Ayan. I know, I think it's gonna be a lot. So, my favorite color, pag, bango niya, parang orange. Oh, no. Konti lang talaga ilagay niyo, guys. Like, 1 dot, it's okay. 1 dot is fine. So, ingay sa labas, and ayun siya, guys. Yun lang gagamitin natin today. So, what I used is nag-sunscreen lang ako. So, that's my go-to. Mag-sunscreen lang ako. And actually, this one is ubos na. My God. I need help. Wala na to naman, guys. So, tignan nyo naman yan. Basta. Guys, that's what I'm using every time I go. Yeah, every time lumalabas ako, yan po ang ginagamit ko. Then, gusto ko yung amoy ng this one is orange. Orange yung amoy niya. Yung pink is mabango lang. This one. Then yun lang gagamitin natin. Kasi yan. So, nag-alcohol lang. Kasi wilash ko to kanina the other day, and then nakalimutan ko. So, at ano din naging routine ko. They have the maliit one actually, no? And it's so nice. Hey, tutor nyo. Ready na. Everyone, I'm back and it's raining outside. Alam nyo, sabi talaga ng student ko, sabi niya, like, teacher, did you meet up with your boyfriend? Because you put makeup. Ganon, magme-makeup lang tayo pag meet up ng boyfriend natin. Huh? Ano daw? Ganon, magme-makeup lang tayo pag nakikipag-meet up tayo sa boyfriend natin? Oh, no! No. So, ayun guys, yan yung mukha ko ngayon. After. Yan. Parang natural glow lang. Man, itong aking bukting-ting na ito. Nagpapababy na naman. Lagi na lang. This guy, it's your handsome. Mami, don't love me, mami. Oh, lagi na lang. Lagi na lang talaga, ha? Wait, at 7 na lang, ha? Let mami rest sa kadit, ha? Rest sa kadit, mami, ha? Hoy. Max? Rest sa mami kadit, ha? And then, you eat, ha? Hoy. Handsome, bam. Maximus! Snobber. Hoy. Max. Maximus! Come here. Wow. Do you see your face? You see your face? Oh no! Who's that? Oh no! Hello? Hello? Who's that? Who's that too? Hmm? Hmm? Who's that? Oh no! Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Jahan no. I know. No. Guys, time check. 10:36. Ang akong anak, magsige pa siya, paabot. Nasuko na siya na ako. Yan akong gikit-kit-kit. Kay ngano kung wala pa may nang gawas. Oh, diba? Paabot na siya dito sa gawas. Stress na siya, guys. Kasi gusto niya magpupo sa labas. And then, umuulan kasi. Tas ang scary pa kasi wala kasi tong vitamins now. And then, lakas ng ulan. Kagabi, lumabas kami and it was raining. And, you know what? Yan, sinisipon siya ngayon. Talaga kasi lumabas. Sabi ko, dun ka na lang sa sala magpupo. Ayaw niya. Ayaw na niya, guys. Bidi lang ka dito. Sala lang ka pupo. Uy! Sala lang ka pupo. Hmm? Sala lang ikaw pupo. Gina, sala lang pupo, be. Hey. Baba pa. Uy, sala lang ikaw pupo ba? Sige na. Ato lang ikaw sala. Delete na go out? Let's go out? Ang bilis, guys. Sabi, let's go out? Ang bilis, guys. Ayaw niya. Let's go! Ang bilis na. Gusto talaga lumabas ng batang ito. Gusto talaga lumabas. Ulan-ulan ka, ayo. Guys, labas muna kami. Oh, init na. Diba? Lakas ng ulan yan. Yan siya. Lakas ng ulan, guys. Ayan. Hindi kami makakalabas. Tapos yung isa dito, excited talaga lumabas. Huh? He's really waiting. Here, we're going out. Gawa ng paraan kasi gusto niya lumabas na magfufu doon. So, ayan. Are you ready? Are you ready? I have a weird craving, so I have here my ramen and then bibingka. Maliit. Dala to ng sister ko, guys. So, ayan siya. What happened? What happened? Guys, I'm not joking. Like, I'm so happy kasi ngayon lang ulit ako nag-order ng free sample. And I got approved. Really got approved. So, I'm gonna be sharing the screenshot here. I'm so happy. Like, whoosh. I'm so happy. Kilig ako niyan. But I'm just, laying down ako. Thank you so much, Kitli. Thank you so much for trusting me. I'm so happy. Yun lang. Di ko akalain na dalawang sample talaga yung na-prove nila. I'm so happy. No guys, so before ako matulog, I'm so tired and you know, the time of the month na like, sorry naman, hindi na ako mag-iilaw guys. Nandito naman yung ilaw ko. Yun siya. So, horror muna tayo ngayon. I know. But I'll be eating this. Oh no! So soft na. Oh no. Wait, why is this so soft? Oh. And guys.
Going to be a sheltering in place.
Get ready. We will go out. Let's go out. You listen to mommy, do you know? You go out. Go out na. Go out na. Mommy first, huh? Mommy first. Mommy first. Okay. Ano? Kabad boy, ana. Dili na pwede ka saka din ha sa court. Dili na. Band na ikaw din ha. Dito. Shh. Pero gandagan pa dito. Libangon na dyan karoon na siya ba? What are you doing? Someone's so busy. Ball. Wala ball, no. It's just paper. No ball. Hala, handsome. Oh. Sit. Good boy. Diyan na inside na ta? Home na ta? Home? Manaman ka bambam. Mana tayo mong business dito? Mana ko business na ko, mami. Dili magsige chismis dito kay nawa nahalok ang Look at your face. Hey. Look at your face, Tanaway mo face. Ew! Kalay na nga na, ew! Blanky kang face, hindi. No, look at your face, It's actually windy right now, and this guy, just going. So playful. Nakag-away siya ng isang dog dyan. Just going. You're so mean. You avoid the big ones. Up. Okay. Sit. What to do?
How did you feel it go now?
Are you happy? Happy ka? Happy ka nag-play ka dito sa gawas, ha? Happy ka? Wash na kita sa feet? Wash na kita sa feet, ha? Wash na. Let's wash na. Wash na, wash na. Ano na tayo, guys? Kasi matutulog na tayo. Ayan. Sugar dolls. Ayan. Fresh Glow Essence. So, yan ang toner natin ngayon. See? Ganda naman ang anak skin ko ay. I'm currently watching their vlog right now. Like, talaga lang, guys. So, ginamit ko, guys, is itong Beauty Night Cream. Sugar Dolls pa rin yan. Yan yung lalagay ko every night. Especially if nag-toner ako. Because sometimes talaga tinatamad ako. Tatamarin at tatamarin ka talaga. Yan. Include na rin yung ano mo. Guys, may ginagamit ako sa ano, kilikili ko. It's not working. It's really not working. So, hindi na ako bibili nun.